Most people get this wrong. They assume all finance apps just track spending. Momentum Money in 2026 is different. It combines budgeting, automated savings, and personalized financial insights to help you take control of your money and actually grow it. The app allows you to set multiple financial goals, whether it's debt repayment, an emergency fund, or a dream vacation. Its smart algorithms automatically allocate funds toward each goal based on your income and spending habits. Even small, regular contributions can accumulate faster than you think. Momentum Money provides predictive alerts for upcoming bills, subscriptions, and daily expenses. The dashboard gives a clear, visual snapshot of your finances, showing how close you are to your goals and highlighting areas where you could save more. Security is a priority. The app uses multi-factor authentication, encryption, and real-time fraud monitoring. All deposits are FDIC insured, and support is available via chat or email if you encounter any issues. The main limitation: Momentum Money focuses on personal finance management and savings automation. It's not a full-fledged investment platform. However, for anyone looking to automate savings, track spending intelligently, and gain actionable insights, it's a strong option. So, is Momentum Money worth it in 2026? Absolutely. For anyone who wants a modern, secure, and automated way to manage money and grow savings, Momentum Money delivers. Subscribe for more reviews of the best finance apps that can help you take control of your financial future.